Ever wish you could build your own tiny world, one that feels calm, creative, and completely yours? That's exactly what the Mini Maker Club is all about. Every month, members get access to exclusive printable kits just like this one. You'll get beautifully designed mini projects you can print at home, cut, fold, and glue into magical 112 scale projects. Whether you're brand new to miniatures or a lifelong maker, the club makes it easy to get started. Each kit comes with a themed printable, SVG files for Cricut users, and short tutorials on how to guide you through the project. It's more than just a download, it's a moment to slow down, create something mini and beautiful, and reconnect with your inner artist. And best of all, it's affordable, accessible, and beginner-friendly. So join today and you'll get this DIY dollhouse kit as your welcome gift. Tap the link below to learn more and start crafting your own tiny world with the Mini Makers Club.